We're gonna work a little back. We're gonna work a little back right now. So let me show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna do what is called a dumbbell row. So you're gonna use your dumbbells. So you're here and you're pulling back here. So the exercise is close and out. So you should feel it right in the crease of your upper back. So it's here. And you should feel it tight each time. Elbows out and tight. Touch the weight and out. Okay, so you're able to do one arm as well. So you can do a one arm row. You'll hold the weight here and you'll pull back here. That works this little part on the back right here that we think is from our bra. It's not, it's fat. So here, you're gonna go up and you're gonna work the upper back each time, okay? So when doing an upright row, you should focus on squeezing this middle part of the back here, this part. You should feel it every time. You're gonna go up here. What people have a tendency to do is to bring their elbow back and up. It's not, it's just a pull straight here. No swing up, it's here. Focus on tightness in the middle of your back each time.